See, there are actually difficult situations. At times, we don't get to realize that there are situations you cannot actually change by yourself. I want to make you understand when somebody have a health issue, like you are not physically okay, and you went to a doctor and you are diagnosed of a certain illness, or maybe someone had an accident, you break your hand, you break your leg, and the doctor is seeing it right away. Even you yourself, you are seeing it right away that, oh, I had a fracture on my hands or I had a fracture on my leg. Okay? Then the situation will be easier because you yourself, you are seeing that fracture and the doctor also is seeing the fracture. People around you are seeing it. So when it comes to foolishness like stupidity, how do you make someone to get healed or treated when it comes to stupidity or foolishness? Because in any issue of illness, you start taking your drugs, no? You started treating yourself. You start going to the hospital. You do every necessary therapy that you have to do. You do everything that you are required to do by the medical experts. How do you convince somebody that is foolish? Somebody that is, how do you convince them that something is wrong with them? This is my problem. How do you make someone to understand you are foolish? Because we human, we take it as an insult. Whenever someone said we are foolish, we take it as an insult, even if we behave foolishly. We don't want to accept it. Ah, okay, I behave foolishly. It is true. We take it as an insult. And something just entered my head. When did ever a foolish person recognize his or her foolishness? You don't ever tell person say, it be like say you dey craze, be like say you dey mad, and the person go say, yes, so na true, oh, God bless you, thank you. I've never heard it in my life. Then how do you cure someone that is foolish? I don't know. If you know the answer, put it on the comment section. How do you make someone that is foolish to know that really this person is foolish? And how do you cure foolishness? How do you accept it? Because it's always something you can accept. Say, yes, I admit this thing. I know that I do it. Let's even take, for example, like liars. Someone that lie. Okay? In a very rare cases, I repeat, in a very rare cases, you will see someone that lie that we admit, yes, I know I lied about so thing. Please forgive me. I don't know why I say it. Okay? Someone that lie. But person that is foolish, that is somebody who cannot, who have no empathy for anybody, you cannot think right. When you there is anything, you can't do dialogue. If there is any situation, you cannot arrive at the point to conclude that situation that will come in a glorious way. You don't even care about your life. You don't care about anybody. You are just on your own. You do everything in your own secret way. How do you convince somebody that is foolish that he or her is foolish? I know that's every day I dey think this matter. I have asked the men of God. I have asked so many pastors in the church. I have asked people I know that are learned. What they said is that a foolish person will never realize that he or she is foolish. The brain, I not even me not go school. I dey find all these things difficult. But I dey understand though, for the fact that I am not a graduation or a graduate, grad, grad, graduate, grad, How did they talk? I don't have a doctorate degree, no. So it's difficult for me to even still use English to explain. But if I can't use my language to explain, how many people go understand? How many people go hear am? How do you make somebody that is mumu to understand, say, yes, I mumu? Like when you tell this person, say, you mumu, oh, you know, quarrel, you know, verse. You go say, okay, I know, I mumu. Oh. How I go take do now? You explain to am, you explain to am. So next time, he no go do am again. I take God beg una. More now put the answer for comment section. How do you help people that are foolish? People that mumu, people when their brain no dey reach the right angle to think. People, that is our people, they say, oh no wale boy. How will they tell them, say, oh yeah, but we said don't do to our carwine. We vale neck be, we vale neck be, or no one neck be no solid. But no, baby, yeah. Yes, my language. I beg, Mona, put it on the comment section. How do you make people to? How do you explain to people that they are foolish? Put it on the comment section. God bless you. Bye.